Hey guys, welcome back for another video. I have a customer who wanted some cookies off of this stump chunk that I have here, and it's a little bit difficult. I'm gonna have to trim this a little bit here in order to make the cut without the guide hitting, which is gonna be fine because it's kind of broken off anyways. And I had to put basically like a pine bunk that I have for stacking. I stuck that in here with the backstops, and then I stuck another one on the other side in order to clamp it and sandwich it in there. So I just figured I'd bring you along for this one because I think it might be kind of interesting. So it's going to be some pretty cool looking cookies. So I'm going to take a couple of slices off of this, about 2 inches thick, and let's see how it comes out. Well, that looks pretty awesome. Well, there we are. We got this pretty big thick cookie here. This is 2 inches. Actually, they're all 2 inches. They're all the same thickness. So see, the next cut's going to produce 2 separate cookies. I might try to rearrange it and do that, but at this point they're going to start tipping because they're only sitting on one bunk, so they may not stay still anymore. So I think this might be the last cut I take off of this. But you can see these look really cool. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and these both look about the same. You saw the first one. But boy, these look really awesome. So you guys, let me know what you think about these. I think they look pretty cool. I like the void that's in the middle. I might try to do more of these. It's a lot easier when they're big like this. You can see the smaller cookies are a little bit more difficult. I'm trying to work on getting a jig made for this. If you guys have any tips, tricks, any other ideas for cutting cookies on this sawmill, let me know. But otherwise, I thought this would be kind of cool to share with you. Let me know what you think of these and what sort of things people could make with them. I think they look pretty sweet. Again, I appreciate you guys all following along. Stay safe, stay cool, stay healthy. Take care. We'll see you guys all in the next video.